I want to do a look today for St. Patrick's Day. And because it is my birthday, and every year I do wear green for my birthday to get into the theme or vibe. Every year, like, I wear green. So sometimes I have friends that ask me like, oh, what are you wearing for your birthday? I'm like, well, it's gonna be green, you know, no matter what it is, because my birthday is St. Patrick's Day. But it is probably one of the best birthdays. If you're born on St. Patrick's Day, you know this. Everywhere you go, there's like a party going on. Everyone has like beads on and everyone's drinking. So everyone's usually in a good mood and happy to celebrate with you. So it's one of the best birthdays you can have. I'm sure Cinco de Mayo is a close contender, but you know, everything's open and it's a holiday. So that's always a good birthday to have. But anyways, I'm gonna mostly be using the Violet Voss, the Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. I think this palette came out last year, and I just saw it for the first time when I was at the flagship Sephora store in New Orleans, and I saw it, and I touched it, and I felt all these colors, and I was like, they're so pigmented, and they're so big, like the pans are huge, and I was like, and it was a good value. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I remember thinking, wow, that's really a good value. So I got it. And yeah, I can't wait to try it out. I'm definitely going to be using this seafoam color, and I love Pearl. It's like a really pretty like highlight color, but I'm going to use it on my eyes. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't know, like I love St. Patrick's Day. What can I say? It's my birthday and I just love it. Right now, these earrings that I'm wearing are the most complicated earrings I've ever owned. They're Betsy Johnson. I got them for Mardi Gras a few weeks ago, but these earrings probably took me a good 10 minutes to put on. They're hoop earrings, but like the back is not attached, so, and it's a swing. They're complicated, like so I had to like put the little back on the end of it and then put it into place. I don't know, I've never dealt with earrings that are this complicated. But anyway, here they are. They're beautiful. They have little hearts on them with little rhinestones. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, and then I have my little tiara. So I'm feeling birthday vibes today. So I'm gonna start with this palette by putting on the color Buttercup, and it's this really gold color, and I need that as a base because underneath the color green is blue and gold. So I'm gonna start by putting on Buttercup, and I'm gonna put that on all over my eyes. I've already primed my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eye primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I can't believe I'm turning 30. Like, what? 30 years old? It's like, where did my 20s go? Like, for real, like, I feel like I know I've done like a ton of stuff. Like I've had more than 3 jobs, especially before I was, while I was in cosmetology school, I had like 3 jobs. And that's where I met my husband. But I mean, I've had several jobs. I went through cosmetology school. I moved to Ohio in my 20s. Moved to Alabama in my 20s. What else did I do? Rode a Segway. That's like a big thing for me because I felt like I was gonna die when I was riding the Segway. Like, no joke. It was probably one of the most terrifying experiences of my life. This is really, really yellow, but I'm really digging it. Like, I really like that. Okay, so Buttercup is on. I am next. Someone's calling me. Excuse me for a moment. Okay, that was work calling me. So anyway, we put on Buttercup, and now I'm gonna put on this color Fiji because I want a blue on the outside of my eye. And I'm gonna use a smaller brush and go in, actually I'm gonna use a medium. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. This is a Morphe No Name brush. I'm going in with that color Fiji. It's like a teal color, teal blue color. It's gorgeous. So pigmented. And tap. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go in with the color Seafoam. I'm kind of doing this backwards where I'm doing darker colors and then I'm gonna go in with a lighter color. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with Seafoam and I'm gonna cover most of my lid with this. I love it. Color Pearl, and it's this really pretty pearlescent, like white color. I'm gonna go on my inner lip using that same brush because I want it to be like a minty green right here. Yeah. Work, or someone keeps texting me. That is really awesome. This is exactly what I wanted. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm kind of just blending everything in using that same color. Yep. Yep, that's really, really pretty. Now I'm gonna use that same brush I used for the color Buttercup. And I'm gonna do, kind of mix that in just a little bit, tap off the excess, and go over the top. Okay. And I really like that. I now want to use something kind of like basic for like underneath my eye. So I'm gonna use MAC Naked, and it's just like, it has like a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's very like dull compared to the colors that I already have on my eye. So zoom in a little bit more. There we go. And my brush is a little bit damp right now to help it stick. Can't even really see it. It's just very, very subtle. And I'm going to come down and blend out the color Buttercup. Reminds me of The Princess Bride. Princess Buttercup. That movie is so good. Classic. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this lip balm that I got. It's from Winky Lux. It's the lavender lip balm, and it has confetti in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty cool. But I love this stuff. It's moisturizing, and it's supposed to adjust. The pH is supposed to adjust to an appropriate color for your color palette. And whenever I wear it, it kind of makes it like a light pink color. So very natural looking, but like a little bit of color for those people that don't really like to wear a lot of makeup. It's really good. I really like it. I'm going to drag that same brush with a little bit of Seafoam on it, a little bit more underneath my eye. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, I love this so much. It's Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Freak. And I'm going to go right underneath my eye. And it matches almost exactly to that color that I just did. the seafoam color. This is gonna look pretty cool with lashes, I think. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with black eyeliner and darken up the top of my lashes and put on some mascara. And I will be right back, but for now, this is what we have. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I lined my eyes and I used the Stila eyeliner in the color Midnight. It's like a dark blue. And then I also lined my lower lid on the outside only with a Q's, and it's the 24/7 Urban Decay eyeliner. And I used, where is it? Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. So this is what we have, and now I'm going to start with my foundation. And yeah, so I need to prime my face though before I do that. And I've been loving the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Too Faced primer. It's really good. It definitely has like a cooling effect to the skin, and it keeps everything on smooth and lasts all day. This with the setting spray that goes along with this is like my favorite. I love it. Whew. I've been really, really tired since the time changed the other day. I don't know if I'm ever not gonna feel tired ever again. Must be the new thing with being older. I'm probably driving people older than me crazy. Like, I'm acting like I'm turning 60 or 70. Sorry if you're 60 or 70. Alright, and I'm just going to use the same foundation I usually use because it works for me. And that's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. It's my favorite with a beauty blender. But before I do that, I am going to set everything with the Peach Mist from Too Faced. Love this stuff. Yes. I'm going to let that dry for a minute. And while that's drying, I think I am going to add a little bit of sparkle on my inner corner with the Heavy Metal Distortion eyeliner. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey right here, here, and here. Alright, so there's that. And now I am going to go in with my lipstick ahead of time. I just want to see how bright it is. It's the color Firebird from Urban Decay. It's really bright. And this is the Hula bronzer again, just kind of blending everything. And then I'm going to do the highlight color in Cookie just right above my cheekbones in just a minute. This is more Hula bronzer, just contouring my nose. And for some reason I keep forgetting to put on my eyelashes. I used the Ardell Wispies, and now I'm done. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day and have a happy St. Patrick's Day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.